How to cash out in Cash App. Here's exactly what to do. First, open the Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, tap your balance or the Money tab at the bottom. Next, tap Cash Out. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can type a custom amount or tap Cash Out Full Balance if you want to withdraw everything. Now, select your transfer speed. Instant sends the money right away, but there's a small fee. Standard is free, but usually takes 1 to 3 business days to reach your bank. After you select the speed, Cash App will show your linked bank account. Make sure it's correct, then tap Confirm to complete the transfer. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, go to your profile settings. Select Linked Banks and add your bank account using your debit card or your routing and account number. Once that's set up, you can cash out anytime directly to your bank. That's it. Fast, simple, and you're done.